Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with an interesting batch which is nothing but product rules in Salesforce CPQ. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ specialist credential. So if you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel to check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is get started with product rules. So if you scroll up, you will find this developer edition org with Salesforce CPQ link. Just open this in a new tab. So here I'm just going to fill out all the details. So guys, here you will be providing your active mail ID. So once if it is done, check this checkbox followed by sign me up, so that you will receive a mail which will take nearly 2 minutes. So all you need to do now is we are just going to connect this trial. So guys, once if you receive this mail, just click on it and click on verify account. So before that, let's save this username and now click on verify account so that you will get this page. So here we are just going to change our password. So give a password and confirm the password right over here, and just give security question as well, and now click on change password. So guys, once if you get this page, let's go back to our challenge, and here we are just going to connect the org. So you give a click on the 3 dots followed by connect org, and here just enter your username followed by your password. So you have just resetted the password. So once it is done, click on login and give access, click on allow and followed by save it. So yeah guys, that is all about this challenge. Now let's scroll down and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.